Hey guys, welcome back to RGTV. Today I want to show you how I use my canned items, my home canned items, and today we're using meatballs, our canned meatballs, and I will have a video up shortly on how to can those, but we are going to make Swedish meatballs today. So we're going to start out with a hot skillet, and we're going to add about 1/3 cup of butter, now because our meatballs are already canned, they're home canned, we're not cooking them, that's why we're going to use the butter. Otherwise you would just use the pan drippings that you cooked your meatballs in, and you can do that as well. You don't have to use canned items here. But you certainly can. And then to that, we are going to add 1/3 cup of flour. And basically what we're making is a roux. And it's just going to thicken the sauce for our meatballs. And you're just going to cook that through for a couple of minutes. You can add more flour if you like. I only have about 1 cup of liquid that we're going to actually thicken. And then we're going to basically pour in our beef broth. And you can see that there is a little bit of fat in my home canned meatballs. Not much at all, but there is some. And that's actually going to lend a lot of flavor to our sauce. Okay. And then we're going to add our cream once we stir this together. We're going to add 1/4 cup of cream. And then we're going to bring it up to a simmer. Okay, you don't want it to go too hot. You just want to simmer it. We're going to place our meatballs in. And of course, if you're feeding more people, you can throw in 1 quart of meatballs. I'm just using a pint. And then we're going to bring that back up to a simmer. talk with it is, guys. You're just going to bring it back up to a simmer. And let these heat through. And in the meantime, I am going to make some egg noodles to go with this. Okay guys, so there it is, Swedish meatballs over egg noodles. Quick and easy from your pantry, or you can do it from scratch just as easily. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.